Do you want to learn how to create AI videos using this AI tool called Genmo AI? So right here guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do just that. If you want to simply create amazing videos that looks exactly like this using this AI tool, you want to simply work with me from the beginning of this video to the very end. So the first thing guys you want to actually do is to go onto this AI tool called Genmo AI. And once you right here under the create section, we have the videos, animate and images. So the videos and animate are free to use, while the images require the paid plan right here. So right here guys, on the video sections, all you want to simply do right here on videos is to simply just describe your video. You can also upload an image to create a similar style of video, or you can easily just describe your video. So guys, I'm just going to describe my video right here. So right here guys, it is submitting this right here, and within few seconds it's going to generate that video right here for me. So as you can see, it is generating. So you want to simply wait for some few seconds and this will be done generating. So guys, as you can see, my video is done generating. So I'm just going to play this right here, and guys, this is the video right there. So this is how you can actually create videos right here. All you want to simply do is to give this a prompt and it's going to generate that image right there. I can also tap on this right here and tap on submit, and it's going to generate that image right here for me within a few seconds. So guys, that is it for the video section. If you go onto the animate section, you want to simply go onto this page right here. Now the first step is to create the first frame of your video. You can easily create, upload or search right. So guys, I'm going to upload an image right here. So I'm just going to upload this particular image right here. Okay, that is my step 1. And right here to step 2, you will find the story of your video. Your AI animation will start with this frame. Describe how you want your frames to look in the caption. Be descriptive and feel free to add interesting artistic styles right there. So right here guys, what I want to do is to simply put in the video in painting, color over background and objects to animate them, or you can simply just let the Genmo to animate the whole frame. So right here guys, I'm just going to tap on make video right here. And guys, this is submitted, and this is going to create this video right here using this little girl standing next to a tree in the snow. So let's simply wait to see what Genmo AI can actually do for us by simply just uploading an image and converting an image into video right here. So let's see how this is going to look like. So guys, as you can see, this is done creating right here. So this is the video I've been able to create right here using Genmo AI. I've been able to animate this image into a video right there. So guys, if I simply just scroll down and tap on open file right here, I'm going to see this video right here. So this is how the video actually looks like. I'm just going to play this. So this is it. So once you're done, you can easily go onto the 3 dots and download this right into your device. So right here guys, this is how you are able to create videos using this AI tool called the Genmo AI. You can create videos, you can also animate objects, and you can also make an image right there. So guys, if you want to simply try out this AI tool, you want to go on to Genmo AI and follow the step that I have showed you right in this video.